Everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today my beautiful client Nikki has come in and we've already done our prep work. If you want to see how I prep the nails, you can go back to the previous video, or I will link it in the description box and you can go ahead and check that out. So after I've done the prep work, I've gone ahead and applied a thin clear base onto all of the nails. And now I'm coming in on the ring finger and the index finger, and I'm just going to do a nail bed using Birthday Suit from CJP. So I always do my small line bead first, and then I will come in with my cuticle bead. Also, because the weather's really hot, I don't want to try and do anything in one bead when the weather is like this, and acrylic is really hard to work with. So, after I've done this one, I'm going to go ahead and do exactly the same thing on the index finger, and then I'll come back when I need to. On the pinky finger, I'm coming in with Milky Pink, and I'm just going to use this as a base because I'm going to apply... Are you drawing? Yeah. So I'm going to use this as a base because I'm going to be using some iridescent glitters. I want the colours... Wow. I want the colours on them iridescent glitters to stand out more, so I'm just using that Milky Pink as a base for that. I'm then coming in with Birthday Suit and creating my nail bed colour. I'm just going to blend that into that white, and then I will come in with the glitters that we're going to use throughout the set, which are... We have Lotus from the Indian Summer Stack Multi-Cut from the Glitter Fairy. These glitters are so popular, especially in the summer. Everybody is loving them, and I know quite a few of the glitter retailers are selling them now as well. So the orange one that we're going in to use is called Mountain Rose. Again, iridescent but beautiful, and I'm sure if I used these under like a pink or the orange, they would have popped even more, but I wanted to have them have that almost sheer kind of look to them. And then just in between those two colours, I'm coming in with Glitterarty Nails Arctic Fox, and that is just going to give a more pinky tone to that iridescent, which I really loved the effect of. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the middle finger and the thumb, and then I will come back when we move on to the next nails. So I've just filed that smile line nice and crisp, and now I'm coming in with CJP Smashed Peach and Magenta, and we're going to do a horizontal ombre on these two nails using those two colours. After I've done with the two ombre colours, I do go ahead and cap all the nails, but I didn't film it. I also didn't record any filing today, but I will leave it in the next video. I like to just change it up a little bit here and there. Yeah, and so I'll come back when we're top coating. So the best bit of every set of nails is the top coat. We know it is where the magic happens. So yes, I have cleaned away all of the dust so there's none under or on top of the acrylic enhancements. And you don't want any getting in your top coat.
Look.
It's beautiful, Poppy. I'm sorry, Poppy is very chatted today. She's colouring in and wants me to look at everything. So yeah, the top coat that I'm using is the tack-free top gloss from CJP as always. It's my favourite. It is the one I find personally the longest wearing and the one that still comes back shiny. And then that's the end of the video, guys, after I've applied cuticle oil. I love you all so, so much. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do that. It means the world to me. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all again in my next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.